ClickOnCare.com.
Hi everyone, today we are going to review Advanced Kojivit Plus Gel. So this gel comes in 15 grams package and basically it is used in treating skin lightening effects. It has many ingredients which helps in lightening the skin, and the main ingredients are octinoxate, glycolic acid, kojic acid, grapeseed oil, orbitin, vitamin E acetate, mulberry extract and allantoin gel. So octinoxate, this ingredient, it gives protection against the sun like UVB rays and UVA rays, and also the glycolic acid, these ingredients, they are used in skin lightening purposes. And the other ones, as you see, the Ayurvedic one, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, mulberry extract, these are all, it helps in hydrating the skin and providing the required moisture. Let's unbox this gel and see how it looks like inside. So this cream looks like this. It comes in white and pink package, and there is also a description given along with the product. In this description, the detailed explanation regarding the every ingredient used is being given, and also the side effects and the mechanism of action. So the direction for the use: apply even layer over the affected area twice daily and massage it gently until the gel is completely absorbed into the skin. Use the gel once or twice a day so that it gives maximum protection, and this product is marketed by Microlabs Limited. This is the review of Kojivit Plus Gel for today.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and